Failed Governor Gavin Newsom. No blackouts in the future, folks. You'll dodge it like Nancy Pelosi.
Who's the one you want?
Happy I love crushing me some pennies. Get ready for the coolest penny you've ever seen, friend. Go ahead and pick out your design. We got 4 of them.
Pay attention now. Zoltar has a word of wisdom for you this day. He who laughs last thinks slowest. Stay alert, my friend, and laugh heartily and quickly. For a small fee, Zoltar will tell you more of his secrets, and wisdom is priceless.
You would never think it's here, like literally a few minutes from our house. Yeah, I think theirs look exactly like that.
Be advised that the Christmas Grouch has been stealing Christmas spirit again.
I copy that. We'll keep it.
Merry Christmas!
A miserable time, like me. Why, I absolutely loathe all that singing and gift giving. Why, I'd like to take all your precious gifts and stomp them. Done ruining your evening!
I wonder if it's got elves.
North Pole our best we go with jingling bells and laughter. We're bringing joy and snows. Ho, 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 we're happy elves.
Thank you.
Ho, ho, we're happy elves. Oh, we're
A big one.
And it's snowing.
I never wanna know a day that's over 40 degrees. Burn it, but he can touch and let us
You're as charming as an eel, Mr. Grinch. Oh, your brain is full of spiders. You've got garlic in your soul, Mr. Grinch.
Now it's you again! What are you doing here? I thought I told you kids to get lost.
Are you my volunteer? You want to volunteer? Alright. We brought something for you, Mr. Grinch. Here you go. Come on
A
up.
present? For moi, you say? Hold on a second.
Oh, can we make a little room here so he can climb up? Climb up on the chair and you're going to have to put it inside the net. Perfect. Good job. Good job.
Well done.
To Grouch from Santa. Why, no one has ever given me a present before.
Oh, man. Can I ask you guys for help? Let's yell hello and let's see if Santa's there. Alright, I'm gonna count to 3. We all yell hello. 1, 2, 3.
Hello, Santa!
Welcome and Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas, Santa.
See you all. Did you come all the way to see me in one of those awesome monster trucks?
Yes!
I think I should give me one of those. Now, it's very busy around here this time of year, but I see we have some children aboard, so I will spend a few minutes with you. Children, do you know that the elves are working very hard to make sure that there is a present on Christmas Eve for every girl in 4, 3, 2, 1. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Now I must be getting back to my preparations, so. Solo.
Oh, he's got candy canes. All right.
Candy cane! Candy cane! Thank you! Thank
Thank you, Grinch.
you, Grinch!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Sam, I'm gonna move out, but I'm gonna go slow. I'll try not to knock you over, Sam.
Merry Christmas!